Hey, thanks for joining Uncle Mike this March 18th, a Fed day, for a review of our day trades. Well, on a Fed day, you know that you may stand aside till the afternoon, but we were here like troopers. We did get one pre-market trade. It was a counter trend trade, worked out well, and we were out of that one. Then started off the market. We had these two trades here. We had a scale-in trade. I should back it up a bit. Yeah, a scale-in trade right here. We were in for two positions, two contracts, in and out, and that one worked out nicely. We got in a counter trend trade here, right about this level here. We were in, going back and forth. We had a lot of time decay, so we were out of that trade break even today. That was our break even trade. Here was our one trade right out of the chute, 936. We got in our 1K trade. We got a point. That was it. Out on the runner at break even, and we were done on that trade. Here was a place we were looking at. I know members were looking at to get in, possibly at a break here, but this candle was too long and coming from over 770. Basically traveling 5 points. Risk reward was not there. We didn't take it, thank goodness. That one didn't work out. Then what we had to do is we sat around and we waited and waited. Took lunch, took a break, came back, and waited for the Fed meeting. We did have a little trade here. What time was it? Actually, it was 2:04. We got in here. We were looking for the Fed. We figured we'd take a break. There was some support here. We figured we'd take a shot. Hopefully it'd break before the Fed minutes. And you can see it just went sideways. There was time decay. That was our loss for the day. We were out 1 point on this trade. We knew there was a greater risk reward. If it broke, it was going down probably hard. But we were able to cap our risk to 1 point. So to me, that was a good risk reward trade. That was our only loss for the day. After that, at 12:30, this was one. We got in, and we got our point. We got a point here on this trade coming in, and then I'll show the others on the other chart. Okay, then the fun started. We had the Fed meeting, and you can see this thing took off. Came back. Actually, we had a trade right here. We had a counter trend trade, 84.75. Actually, we took the trade right in here. We were sitting, waiting for it to come up, hit us. We were in and out within seconds. We had a scale-in trade we took here. We took a counter trend trade here. So we were having fun this afternoon. Then we had actually a couple 3:30 right before we were done trading for the day. We had two counter trend longs. One at 323, which was, sorry, didn't put them in here. We had a 323 counter trend long and a 325 counter trend long. Being in and out, and that was our day. We were done. So for the recap, today we were 8-1-1. The one loss was for 1 point. We did have that break-even trade in the morning, and a person trading 3 contracts. We'll just bring it into view a little bit. There it is, trading 3 contracts. It was $1,000, and that does not include our pre-market trade that we took this morning. To 843 was a winner. So that was it for today. Very nice day after sitting and being bored all day, but hey, that's what trading's about. So a person trading 3 contracts would have grossed $1,000 following the trades. So have a wonderful night. If you'd like to come on in for a free trial, please visit the site www.teachtalktrade.com and come on in and trade with us. Thanks.